How much Bitcoin should you own? One whole Bitcoin? Half? Or just a tiny fraction? This is one of the most common and most stressful questions beginners ask. So today we'll break it down simply, calmly, and realistically, without hype and without financial advice. First, let's get this clear. There is no magic number. Anyone telling you that you must own a certain amount of Bitcoin is oversimplifying things. The right amount depends on you, your income, your expenses, and how comfortable you are with risk. So instead of asking, how much Bitcoin should I own? A better question is, how much Bitcoin fits my life? A big misunderstanding is thinking you need to buy one whole Bitcoin. You don't. Bitcoin is divisible into 100 million units, called Satoshis. That means you can buy $10 worth, $50 worth, or even less. Owning Bitcoin isn't about how many coins you have. It's about participating responsibly. Here's a very simple way many beginners think about it. Only invest money you can afford to not need in the near future. For some people, that might be 1% of their savings. For others, 5% or even less. If losing sleep over price drops sounds familiar, the amount is probably too high. Bitcoin should not make daily life stressful. Starting small gives us something very valuable. Experience without panic. We learn how price swings feel, wallets work, security matters. It's much easier to learn when emotions are calm. And remember, Bitcoin is a long-term game, not a race. Many beginners worry about when to buy, but often, what matters more is consistency, patience, time in the market. That's why strategies like dollar cost averaging, which we explained in an earlier episode, are popular with beginners. It's easy to look online and think, everyone else owns more than me. But Bitcoin isn't a competition. Someone owning more Bitcoin doesn't make your decision wrong. The goal isn't to copy others. The goal is to stay comfortable, informed, and secure. So, how much Bitcoin should a beginner own? An amount that feels safe, fits your budget, lets you sleep at night. Bitcoin rewards patience, not pressure. If this helped simplify things, give the video a like. And if you're learning Bitcoin step by step with us, subscribe to Block and Learn.